What are you doing? Are you helping Mama dust? Okay, Mama's gonna dust up here. Look. Are you? Come on. Get up. You gonna help Mama dust? Or are you just gonna make more dust? Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're getting way back there? What are you gonna do? You gonna clean the glass too? Uh-oh. Are you gonna dust? Where's the duster? Here it is. Here? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You gonna dust? Oh, what do you think you're doing? No, young lady. Absolutely not. Not over here. Are you gonna dust anything else? You gonna dust the floor? And clean the glass? Yeah? Okay, good thing I locked that. No, what are you cleaning? What are you cleaning? You clean the floor with a paper towel? That's interesting. Oh, you dusting your car? Your Dora car? It's gotta be clean, because that's where you play? Uh-oh. Okay, those are all your flashcards that you threw on the floor? Yeah? That's cereal. C for cereal. X is for xylophone. Okay. I got a big mess here. Oh, you dusting Mickey? That's nice. Okay. Good job, young lady. That's a Q. R. Okay.